Hi guys, I'm Afraz and you're watching Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today I'm going to make a very interesting recipe inspired by the red velvet cake which was so popular, so I thought of making a red velvet cream puff. So here I've already done some pre-prep. This is a shortcrust dough in which I've added some cochineal color, or you can add some pink color to it and knead it and then refrigerate for around 20-25 minutes. And now is the time where we're going to roll this out and shape them into small discs. And over here I have got two parchment paper. So I'm going to place the dough in the center and in between of two parchment paper, so that it doesn't stick, and then with the help of a rolling pin I'm going to roll this out. So shortcrust is basically a dough made with chilled butter, flour. For sweetness we add sugar and then color, as I told you. So this is done. Let's open this, a nice thin sheet, and now I'm going to use a cookie cutter and cut this into roundels. So this is done. Now I'm going to gently transfer this onto a tray which is lined with a parchment paper. So first let's get rid of the remaining dough. So you saw how easy it was to demold this from the parchment paper, and now let's place this in the freezer until it solidifies. I'm going to heat up a pan to make the choux paste. And to the pan I'm going to add 1 cup of water. So water has come to a boil. I'm going to add a pinch of salt and butter. I'm going to mix the butter with water until it is nicely melted. So the butter has nicely melted. Now it's time to add the flour, and then we need to mix this nicely until it forms a dough. So as you can see, the dough has come together and it's leaving the pan, and now is the time to shut the gas and take this out in a bowl. So now this is nice and cool. It's time to crack one egg, and with the help of a beater I'm going to start beating this. And now the final egg. So the choux paste is ready. Now I'm going to transfer this into a piping bag. So let's transfer this. So this is done, and now I'm going to cut the tip, and let's take a baking tray which is already lined with a parchment paper, and now it's time to pipe this out. So this is done. Let's get the shortcrust dough which we have kept in the freezer to freeze. And now I'm going to place this frozen disc on top of our choux paste. And now this will go in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. So lovely as they look, red velvet cream puffs are ready, and I'm going to fill this with pastry cream. So now this is nice and cool. I'm going to take this on the chopping board, and I'm going to just cut the top. And now let's fill this up with the pastry cream. This is done. finally fresh mint sprig. So there you have, our cute looking red velvet cream puffs are ready. I'm sure you must have eaten red velvet cake a lot, but now it's time to indulge in this lovely cuties. So if you enjoyed the recipe, do hit like and share. For more such Britannia Desert Carnival recipes, do subscribe.
FoodFood, it's sizzling.